The Municipality of Trieste is willing to improve the city's safety with a video surveillance system in the peripheral neighborhood of Valmaura. The two streets of Costalunga near the graveyard and the other one, Giarizzole, are the first ones to be equipped with cameras. At first glance, giving out a completely safe and family-friendly look, the residents themselves say that installing cameras in the area would not be a bad idea.
Questa conferenza stampa è stata indetta per presentare un progetto nuovo.
This administration thinks that video surveillance is a very important tool. It's a deterrent to preserve citizen security and public goods or public areas, but it's also an important instrument for the investigation.
We are going to implement this network by adding 16 points where we will take the surveillance of a neighbor very important in our town, which is the eastern part of our town, the neighbor of Valmaura. And we also implemented the metropolitan area network with 7 kilometers of optical fiber.
Sicuramente è utile. In questa zona al momento non ci sono grandi problemi, però passano clandestini, quindi può essere anche utile per questo.